So, you've got an idea, maybe a world changer, maybe just a killer coffee shop. It's been living in your head and now you're thinking, what if? Starting a business in the US? This video's your step-by-step guide. Forget the hype and unicorn stories, let's get real about the process. We're following the official 10 steps from the US Small Business Administration, including funding options. From market research to opening your business bank account, we'll cover the essentials. No fluff. Grab your notes app, let's build your business the right way. First up, market research. Don't skip it. Is there real demand for your idea or just your own excitement? Validate with data. Use Google Trends to check search volume, seasonality, and interest in your idea. Dive into SBA's market research tools for industry data and customer profiles. Who are your customers? Where do they live? What do they care about? Scan social media and forums, Reddit, Facebook groups, for pain points and feedback. Run quick polls to gauge interest. Combine hard numbers with real voices to understand your market. Find your unique angle, even in crowded spaces. Market research is your GPS. Don't start without it. Next, it's time to write your business plan. This is a crucial step in launching a successful venture. Think of it as the foundation upon which your business will be built. It's not just about putting words on paper, it's about carefully considering every aspect of your business. Think of your business plan as a blueprint, not just another homework assignment. It's a dynamic tool that will guide your decisions and help you stay on track. It's your roadmap, a detailed guide that outlines where you are now, where you want to go, and how you plan to get there. This process forces you to clarify your mission, the core purpose of your business, and your vision, the long-term goals you aspire to achieve. And most importantly, your overall strategy. How will you differentiate yourself in the market and achieve sustainable growth? Detail your company, providing a comprehensive overview of its history, values, and culture. Explain your business structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. And clearly define what you're selling, whether it's a product, a service, or a combination of both. Be specific about the benefits you offer to your customers. Use your market research to define your target market. Who are your ideal customers? What are their needs and preferences? Thoroughly analyze your competitors. Understand their strengths and weaknesses, and identify opportunities to differentiate yourself. What makes you different? What is your unique selling proposition? Why will customers choose you over the competition? What value do you provide that they can't find elsewhere? Lay out your financial plan in detail. This is where you demonstrate the financial viability of your business. Include a comprehensive breakdown of your startup costs, the initial investment required to get your business off the ground. Provide realistic revenue projections, forecasting your expected income over a specific period, and estimate when you'll break even, the point at which your revenue equals your expenses. Potential investors and lenders will scrutinize this financial information very carefully, so be realistic and transparent in your projections. Overly optimistic forecasts can damage your credibility. Don't feel like you have to start from scratch. The Small Business Administration, or SBA, offers free templates and resources to help you get started. They provide options for both detailed and lean business plans, depending on your needs and the complexity of your business. Ultimately, the specific format matters less than the strategic thinking and careful planning that goes into it. Remember, your business plan is a living document, not something that's set in stone. Build it well and update it regularly as your business evolves and grows. It's your guide, a practical tool to help you navigate the challenges and opportunities of entrepreneurship, not just a piece of paperwork to file away. Make it count, and use it to build a successful and sustainable business. Now, how will you fund your business? Securing the necessary capital is a critical step for any aspiring entrepreneur. It's the fuel that will power your vision and turn your dreams into a tangible reality. Self-funding, often called bootstrapping, means you retain full control over your company. You make all the decisions, and you don't have to answer to anyone else. However, bootstrapping also means that all the financial risk is yours. If the business struggles, your personal savings could be on the line, borrowing, exploring options like bank loans, which are a traditional source of funding, offering structured repayment plans, credit unions, which often provide more favorable terms and personalized service, or SBA guaranteed loans, backed by the government to reduce risk for lenders. Spreads the financial risk, but inevitably means taking on debt, which must be repaid with interest. Remember, the SBA doesn't lend money directly to small businesses. Instead, it guarantees a portion of the loan, making banks and other lenders more willing to approve your application. Government grants do exist for small businesses, but they're relatively rare and usually highly specific to certain industries, locations, or demographics. So, carefully check if you meet all the eligibility requirements before investing your time and effort. Another avenue is seeking funding from investors such as angels, who are individual investors, and venture capitalists, VCs, who manage investment funds, can provide a significant influx of capital to fuel rapid growth, but in exchange, you'll have to give up a portion of your company's equity and potentially some degree of control over decision-making. Each funding path comes with its own set of trade-offs: the level of ownership you retain, the amount of financial risk you're willing to assume, and the speed at which you need the funding. Therefore, it's crucial to carefully match your funding choice to your specific business goals, your risk tolerance, and your long-term vision. Thoroughly do your homework, research all available options, and seek professional advice before committing to any particular funding strategy. The right funding can be a catalyst for significant growth and can ultimately shape the future trajectory of your business. So choose wisely and strategically. Be cautious and don't chase after what seems like free money. Always fully understand the terms and conditions attached to any funding offer. Ultimately, your funding decision is foundational to the success and longevity of your business. Step 4. Pick your business location, physical or digital, it matters. For brick and mortar, think customer access, foot traffic, and neighborhood fit. Check zoning laws, don't sign a lease before confirming you can operate there. Consider long-term growth and proximity to suppliers. Online business? You still need an official address for registration and taxes. Home address is easy, but public or virtual address offers privacy and professionalism. P.O. boxes are cheap but not always accepted for registration. Your location affects taxes, legal requirements, and brand image. Whether storefront or virtual, choose your anchor point carefully. It's more than just an address, it's your business's foundation. Make it strategic. Step 5. Now let's delve into a crucial decision: choosing your business structure. This isn't just a formality, it's a foundational element that will influence many aspects of your company's operations and future. The structure you select fundamentally shapes how your business handles taxes, the extent of your personal liability, and the amount of paperwork you'll be dealing with on a regular basis. It's a decision with far-reaching consequences. First up, the sole proprietorship. It's incredibly simple to set up, offering you full control over every aspect of your business. You're the boss, making all the decisions. However, it comes with a significant drawback: personal liability. This means your personal assets are at risk if your business incurs debts or faces lawsuits. Next, we have the partnership. This structure is designed for businesses with 2 or more owners who share in the profits or losses of the company. Similar to a sole proprietorship, a general partnership typically offers no liability protection, leaving partners vulnerable. Therefore, it's absolutely essential to have a solid partnership agreement in place, outlining each partner's responsibilities, contributions, and how disputes will be resolved. Then there's the LLC, or limited liability company. The LLC has become the most popular choice for small businesses due to its blend of benefits. It offers liability protection, shielding your personal assets from business debts and lawsuits, along with flexibility in how you're taxed. And generally, LLCs are known for their relatively easy management structure compared to corporations. Finally, we have the corporation, specifically the C Corp. A C Corp is treated as a completely separate legal entity from its owners, offering a distinct advantage. This structure provides the strongest liability protection, safeguarding your personal assets from business liabilities. However, corporations are more complex to set up and maintain, and they are subject to double taxation, where profits are taxed at both the corporate level and when distributed to shareholders. For the vast majority of small businesses, LLCs and sole proprietorships offer a good balance of simplicity and protection. They are often the most practical and straightforward choices for getting your business off the ground and managing day-to-day operations. Remember, your choice of business structure impacts virtually everything. From how you pay taxes to how easily you can raise money from investors, the structure plays a critical role. Carefully think about your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with personal liability, or do you need the protection of an LLC or corporation? Consider your future growth plans. Will you need to attract investors or seek significant funding down the line? And be realistic about how much paperwork and administrative burden you're willing to handle. If you're feeling unsure or overwhelmed by the options, Don't hesitate to consult with a business advisor or legal professional. Choosing the right structure is an investment in your business's future. The right structure protects you and sets you up for long-term success and stability. Don't rush this step. Take the time to carefully evaluate your options. It's the legal backbone of your business, providing the framework for everything you do. Choose wisely, and you'll be well on your way to building a thriving and sustainable business. Step 6. Choose your business name, your brand's first impression. Brainstorm names that reflect your mission and are easy to remember and spell. Don't settle on your first idea, generate a long list. Check state databases to ensure the name isn't already taken. Search the USPTO for trademark conflicts. Make sure the .com domain and social media handles are available. Consistent branding matters. Say the name out loud. Does it sound right? Any weird meanings? Get feedback from friends. A great name is an asset. Protect it. Take your time and do your due diligence. Your name is the foundation of your brand. Build on it. Step 7. Register your business, make it official. LLCs and corporations file with the state, usually online, with a fee. You'll need your business name, address, and owner info. Get your federal employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS. It's free and fast. Use your EIN for taxes, hiring, and opening a bank account. Don't pay third parties for an EIN. Register your business name with the state. For sole proprietors, file a DBA if needed. This step creates your legal business identity. It's your company's birth certificate. Get it done right. Step 8. Get your federal and state tax IDs. Your EIN is your federal tax ID. Use it for all IRS matters. If you have employees or sell taxable goods, you'll likely need a state tax ID too. State tax IDs are for sales tax and payroll taxes. Register with your state's revenue agency. Requirements vary by state, so check carefully. These numbers are essential for compliance, hiring, and wholesale accounts. Don't skip this. Set up your tax plumbing now to avoid headaches later. Federal and state IDs keep your business legit. It's the backbone of your financial system. Get both if needed. Step 9. Get the licenses and permits you need. Don't skip this. Requirements depend on your industry, activities, and location. Federal licenses are rare, mainly for regulated industries. Most businesses need state or local licenses, general business, occupational, health, or zoning. Use the SBA's online tool to find what you need by zip code and industry. Check with your city, county, and state for specifics. Even home-based businesses may need permits. Make a checklist of what's required, fees, and renewal dates. Proper licensing keeps you legal and avoids fines. Get your paperwork in order before you open. Step 10. Open a business bank account. Keep business and personal money separate. This protects your liability shield and makes accounting simple. It's essential for LLCs and corporations. Don't pierce the corporate veil. You'll need your formation documents, EIN, and business license. Shop around for the best account for your needs. Deposit all business income here. Pay all expenses from it. It looks professional and builds trust with clients and suppliers. This final step gets you ready to do business for real. That's it, the 10-step guide to starting your business in the US. Each step builds your foundation. Don't skip any. The SBA offers free mentorship and resources. Use them. Recap, research plan, fund location structure, name, register tax IDs, licenses, bank account. Found this helpful? Like, subscribe and comment what you're starting. Check the description for links to free resources. Start small, dream big, act now.